Imagine talking to a computer that understands you, answers your questions, writes essays, even composes poetry. Welcome to the world of Chatgpt, where AI meets conversation. From customer service bots to personal tutors, conversational AI has reshaped how we interact with technology. But where did it all begin? Let's dive into the story of ChatGPT. In June 2018, OpenAI unveiled GPT-1, a 117 million parameter model demonstrating that a single general-purpose transformer could perform multiple language tasks with few modifications. February 2019, GPT-2 arrives with 1.5 billion parameters, over 10 times larger than GPT-1. Its fluency stunned researchers and sparked debates on AI safety. June 2020 marked GPT-3's debut with a staggering 175 billion parameters. Suddenly, AI could draft emails, write code snippets, even craft poetry indistinguishable from human work. November 30th, 2022. OpenAI launches ChatGPT, GPT 3.5 fine-tuned specifically for dialogue. Overnight, the world discovered a chatbot that could hold context, crack jokes, and even admit mistakes. March 2023. GPT-4 arrives, multimodal, capable of understanding images and longer context. Then GPT-4 Turbo in late 2023, optimized for speed and cost. Today we even have a 4 Mini for lightweight deployments. ChatGPT and its successors have revolutionized industries, education, healthcare, entertainment. But they also raise questions. AI bias, deepfakes, job displacement. The story of ChatGPT is also a story of responsibility. What's next? We're moving toward more human-like agents, AI companions that learn your preferences, voice-enabled assistants that feel natural, and domain-specific experts tackling complex tasks. From GPT-1's humble beginnings to today's powerful ChatGPT and beyond, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. How will you use conversational AI? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into AI's evolution.